Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be making Nigerian style salad. If this is your first time on the channel, please subscribe. There's a bell by the side. When you click on the subscribe button, just click on the bell too. So whenever new videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. Now let's move on to our recipe. We start off by washing our vegetables. You want to wash them very well. Make sure there's no sand. Clean them up properly. For my cabbage, I cut it up and put it in some warm water with salt for about 5 minutes before draining it. For our carrots, I wash them properly, scrape the back, make sure there's no sand. It's not a nice thing when you have sand in your salad. In fact, in anything you eat. So just scrape it properly and then grate to your desired size. This is the size I like to use. And there we have it. Now these are all our ingredients ready to be mixed. Now we move on to mixing them, putting them all in one bowl. I don't follow any particular order. I like to layer my salad. If you would like to keep them all in one side, that's the cabbage in one side, baked beans one side, eggs one side, you can do that. There, like I said, there's no hard and fast rule to this. I just like layering them like this. For today, I'm going to use mayonnaise, and to add a little sweetness to it, I'm going to put some sweet chili sauce. Oh, see how beautiful it is. Now, this is our salad, ready to eat. So delicious, so healthy. If you've watched up to this moment and you've not yet subscribed to the channel, oh, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, join the family. If you like this video, there are many more that I know you'd love. So just stay tuned for more videos. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, bye.